Hi everybody, this is Miss Kasperzik. I'm Miss Wilkins' intern, and she's asked me to lead this week's art assignment, which is a found object color wheel. This is a project that I've been seeing all over the internet lately, pretty much ever since quarantine started. It's gotten really popular, and it's a project where you take objects from all around your house in every color you can find, and you lay them out in the shape of a color wheel, and take a picture of it, and that'll be your assignment for this week. It's kind of a fun scavenger hunt to go look for all the colors you can find and arrange them in a nice gradient. So let's get started. Okay, so let's start with a little review. The color wheel is the name for that circular chart that organizes the colors and their relationships. So the color wheel is organized with the colors in the order that they're seen in the rainbow. An easy way to remember that is this phrase Roy G. Biv, which stands for red, orange, yellow, blue, indigo, and violet. I put indigo in parentheses there because it's actually a tertiary color. So it's included in the saying because you can see indigo distinctly when you look at a rainbow in the sky. But for the purposes of color theory, it's not really necessary. So the color wheel that you see on the screen there just has the primary and the secondary colors, and the tertiary colors, like indigo, would come after those. So the primary colors are red, blue, and yellow, and those are the ones that you mix to create all the other colors. So mixing any of those will create the secondary colors. So primary comes first, then secondary. Secondary colors are orange, green, and violet. And mixing the secondary colors is how you get your tertiary colors. So that color wheel there with the secondary colors, this is kind of the most basic color wheel. It has all the colors that you need to think about the color relationships and to figure out how to mix more complex colors. The tertiary colors are shown in that third color wheel there, and they include blue-violet, which you could also call indigo, red-orange, yellow-green, etc. Okay, so we're going to be making our color wheels out of found objects, which is the term used for objects that are used in art but have a different original function. You could think about using household objects, food items, things like fruits and vegetables that might have really bright colors, or things found in nature. It's springtime, so there might be all kinds of like bright wildflowers outside that you could use for this. But really, you just want to look for anything that has a really bright color and as many colors as you can find. The more tertiary colors you find that you can include in your color wheel, the better the gradient will be. So the smoother the transitions between colors. So here's what mine looked like. I started with one of each of the colors in the center, and then I arranged all of my other objects around them in rainbow order, putting all of my kind of tertiary colored things wherever I felt like they fit in best. When you're finished, just take a picture of your final creation and put it on Google Classrooms. I can't wait to see what you guys make. I hope you're all doing okay in quarantine, and I'll talk to you next week. Bye!